Welcome back to another vlog, y'all. So it's the morning time and I am running late, y'all. Should I say running late? I need to go get I'm going to get a wax this morning, so that's where I'm headed to. I don't know, girls to get waxes, y'all. I don't ever want to go. Like, they lie. Anybody who ever told you that it gets better with time is a liar. Because I've been getting waxes, I know, for over 2-3 years. I think I started in 2020, either 2020, 2021. So about almost 4 years. It still feels the same. I hate it. Every time it's that time to go, I don't want to go. I'm like, ugh. But if I don't go, the girls that know, the girls that know. And next time, if you skip your appointment and try to come back another month, if you know, you know. And if you don't know, just keep your scheduled appointment, okay? Yo, I feel like I look so crazy right now. Because I was rushing. Like, I got up, made the bed, started washing clothes. Like, I'm a morning person naturally, whereas in I could stay up all night. Like, the past 2 nights, my sleep has been trash. But it has been, and so but I still wake up at like 6-7 o'clock in the morning and I'm just like drained. So that's been an adventure. So I woke up this morning, made the bed, started washing clothes, did my little prayer time with the Lord this morning. I didn't get to read my Bible, but I did one of my daily devotions. I haven't did the second one, which is what I told you guys from that soul food for the entrepreneur, like that 30-day devotion. I'm on that one. I've been doing two of those a day. I think I told you guys in the last vlog that I started later in December, but I still want to finish on December 30th. So I think I'm on day 9. So I'm still just doing 2 a day to catch up, because the goal is by 2024 I want to have that book finished. So even though it's a daily devotion, I've been doing 2 a day, and it's really, really good for people who are run a faith-based business. I recommend it. If you run a faith-based business, or if you want to start a business that's gonna be faith-based, as in, you know, you seeking the Holy Spirit, you asking God for all the plans, the vision, like He is your business partner. I definitely recommend this book. It really helps you break down your thoughts and just connecting your ideas with the Lord's, and, you know, just knowing what to pray to God for wisdom, because sometimes we don't know what to pray and we don't know what to say. So it really helps connect that, and it makes it a more spiritual level and a personal level, and it really invites God into your business. So if you do not have that book, I'll leave it down below. Sorry, get out the way. I'll leave it down below for you guys. But I'm about to focus on driving because I just have a few minutes to get there. So yeah, but anyway, I don't know how I got there. Anyway, that's why I'm late. That's what I was talking about. That is why I'm late, because I was just up doing stuff. Like, girl, you know, you had an appointment this morning and you gotta go to work today. And I've been trying to do like all my errands before work. Y'all, working the later shift is ghetto. Y'all, we did it. Well, I did it, but I'm gonna say we because y'all went with me. But I just feel like Walmart knew I was out. My husband did a Walmart pickup order, and they knew I was out because I just got a text message saying the Walmart pickup order is ready. So I'm I'm going to go there, and then I'm gonna get some gas. Because currently I'm on a tank of gas, and honestly, if I don't get gas today, your girl may not get gas. I'm trying to decided I wanted to get gas right here at Publix, or do I just want to wait till I get to Walmart and get gas there? I don't think it really matters, but I'm just gonna get gas at I want to say the Publix. It's not even a Publix gas station, y'all. It's definitely Murphy's Express. So I'm just gonna get gas here. Let me tell you guys, I hate getting gas. Loathe it. Get gas because. And then I've been watching people who have like Teslas, and for like a split second, I was like, oh, maybe. But then they be talking about how they gotta still stop and, you know, they have to charge their cars. And I had a not so smart moment when they first came out. I used to think that maybe you could like charge them at home. An electric car, like try to charge it at home. Yeah, I know, don't laugh at me. It was just like when they first came out and I didn't know anything about them. I just thought, oh, you just charge them at home. No, girl, you are so special, you cannot charge them at home. And now that they, you know, but that was when they first came out, not now. I know now you have to go to the station, but I hear people still be complaining about it. Like sometimes people have to sit there for like 15, somebody said 15 minutes, and I think they were like 45% done, or at least 30 minutes, and maybe it was half, I don't know, something like that. And I was like, I don't plan my life like that, honestly, to go get like charged up. Like I would really have to plan out me going to charge my car like a certain time every week, because if not, I would want to go somewhere and I wouldn't have no charge, and then I would be late. Like I'm running late now and I gotta get gas, so I would have to, I don't know, it may not work for me, but for a split second it sounded good. And then I was watching somebody's YouTube and there's like, they feel like they're always charging their car, and I'm like, no. Oh, I gotta turn the car. Why is there a water bottle? We're back from the pickup order. I'm just going to show you guys what all we got. First up is my husband picked up these like Jimmy Dean breakfast ones. He got 4 of the, which one is these? These are the meat lovers ones. So we ended up picking up 4 of these meat lovers ones because he goes to work super early in the morning, and so I guess he don't be wanting to make breakfast. So, and then he picked up 4 of the baking one, the Jimmy Deans. They're the simple scramblers. You just basically heat it up and it's good. Picked up some sharp cheddar cheese, turkey bacon. What is this? Chicken broth. I want to make a salad today, so I just got this quick and easy chicken and some romaine lettuce. So I need to chop that up today. And then some frozen broccoli, milk, 2 of these strawberry watermelon. They have like 0 sugar. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yeah, they're the 0 sugar, 0 calories. Are they 0 calories? Yeah, 0 calories for my water. It helps me drink water quicker. Parmesan, grated Parmesan, minced garlic. I just bought some minced garlic, whatever. And then the bag of white rice. So my husband said I think he's making some broccoli and cheese casserole or broccoli and cheese soup, something he's making. So I'm about to put all this stuff up, and I need to eat breakfast real quick. And hey y'all, so I am getting ready to start work. So keep in mind, if you want like the recipe to those like I don't even know what they're actually called, but they're low carb. It's just egg. You can use 1 egg and then 1/4 cup of cheese, and I use sharp cheddar cheese. That time I used 2 eggs and about 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. So and I made them a little big. But if you've seen like my what is it called, my YouTube short, I showed you how to make it too as well. But to make it correctly, like I freelance, but the correct recipe is just 1 egg, 1/4 cup of cheese. You put it in the little waffle maker for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And then you just, and it's done. Okay, it makes crystal edges. I do mine bigger because I knew I wasn't probably gonna eat lunch to probably like 2 in the evening, so I just make mine bigger so therefore it can hold me over through to like lunchtime. Well, actually 2:30 today, 2:30, so hold throughout the day. So that's how I make mine. They're really good, and then you can season. Like I season mine with, after I put the cheese in there, I season it with pepper, pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and then I put some red pepper flakes in there. I never taste them though. I don't know if I'm not putting enough, but I never taste, but I just put it in there just in case, because all that stuff is like a little kick. But that's how I make mine. So if you want to make it, girl, do it. Just get you a mini waffle maker from Walmart. I think they're like less than $10 if I'm not mistaken. But I love making those. I make them almost every day for breakfast. It's a real thing, y'all. We go through a lot of eggs. Like my sister gave us 60 eggs for, what was that, Thanksgiving? And then I had bought 18, y'all. We're already on the last 20 eggs. That's crazy. So apparently we eat a lot of eggs around here. So I eat them every morning just because they're low carb with turkey bacon. As you guys probably know, I like my turkey bacon like a little crispy, okay? A little crispy with a little crunch on it. But so if you make that recipe, just let me know down below. It was a piece of hair there and it was like really distracting me. But let me know. But I'm getting ready to end this vlog. So I really hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Okay, Vlogmas. I know this vlog probably didn't have nothing to do with Christmas. Like, I don't think I had anything Christmas themed. But you know what? It don't matter. I showed up, okay? But just keep in mind, I don't know if you guys seen maybe the video before this one where I was just talking about just for those handling just who lost a loved one during the holiday. Listen, give yourself grace, give yourself time to heal, and it's okay, because I know if you watch that video, you know what I'm talking about. And just during this holiday season, it's getting closer to Christmas and stuff is getting like, people are probably out shopping crazy, being crazy. Just give people grace, show God's love to them. And if you like me, I'm not going into the streets because I honestly don't have the energy for it. I'm going to order all my stuff. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna order some things. But yeah, just give people grace this holiday season, because you never know what they're going through, but also give yourself grace because you know what you're going through. So until tomorrow, I'll see you guys later. Bye.